If you want to close your Gmail account, follow these simple steps to ensure that your data is handled properly and your account is deleted securely. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access data and personalization. Once logged in, navigate to the Data and Personalization section in the left-hand menu. This area contains options related to your account data and privacy settings. Step 3. Find account deletion options. Scroll down to the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data section. Here, you will find options to delete your account or specific services. Step 4. Delete your Gmail account. Click on Delete a service or your account. Then select Delete a Google service. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Find Gmail in the list and click on the trash can icon next to it. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete your Gmail account. You may be asked to provide an alternative email address for account recovery or to receive important information regarding the deletion process. After completing these steps, your Gmail account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember that this action is permanent and you will lose access to all emails and data associated with the account.